Hello my dears, shall we read Unit 1? Honk, honk, toot, toot. What you can see in this picture? A blue bus, a red car, a rooster, a hen, flowers, rat, police officer, trees, grass, hills. Is it? Now let's read the first page. This is a bus, a blue bus. The bus is big. What is the color of the bus? This is a car, a red car. The car is small. What is the color of the car? I am a bus. I am a bus. Honk, honk, bus. The blue bus is on the road. Where is the bus going? Any guess? Let's check the next page. I am a car. I am a car. Toot, toot, car. The red car is on the road. Here you can see a rooster and a hen also. Is it? Where is the car going? I have a horn. Honk, honk, horn. The bus has a horn. It sounds honk, honk. Does the bus have only a horn? Name the other parts of the bus. I have lights. White lights. The car has two lights. They are white. The car has many parts. Can you name them? I run fast. Me too. Hey! The bus runs fast. The car runs fast. The car and the bus runs fast. Is it good? Honk, honk. Hey car, give way. Stop. Toot, toot, you move. Stop, shouts the police officer. The bus does not stop. The car does not stop. What will happen now? The bus and the car hit each other. Crash! Where is the police officer? What will the police officer do? Ouch! My horn! Oh, my light! The horn fell down. The car's light fell down. What happened to the bus? What happened to the car? It is your mistake. No, it is your mistake. The bus is angry. The car is also angry. Why is the bus angry? Why is the car angry? It is your mistake. I am sorry, sir. It is your mistake too. Sorry, sir. Who made a mistake on the road? What does the police officer say? Here is your horn. Here is your light. Who helps the bus? Who helps the car? The horn is ready. The light is ready. The bus and the car are happy. Thank you, sir. Do not repeat it. Bye, sir. Will they go fast now? May not be, is it? Green trees, you are so nice. I am so happy to see you all. Bluebirds, you are so nice. I am so happy to see you all. Now here, words I can read. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാ? Draw a circle around the words you can read. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വായിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന വേർഡ്സിന് ചുറ്റും സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യണം. അതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക. Bus, road, cow, horn, fast, ready, move, van, stop, light, sorry, jeep, crash, lorry, sing, police, bell, run, tire, tree, red, black, blue, white, one, wheel, color, mistake, pink, slow. Now, characters in the story. ഈ സ്റ്റോറിയിലുള്ള കഥാപാത്രങ്ങൾ ആരൊക്കെ? Put a tick mark against the characters in the story. Bus, car, bear, monkey, police officer, jeep, crow, goat, cow, mouse, dog, cat, hen, duck, rabbit, parrot.